Okay, so normally I wouldn't do this because I believe it can ruin my monitors. But for demonstration purposes, this is what happens when I turn the nucleus off. And I don't believe it was designed to do that, but who knows? Maybe you can help me understand this and what do I need to do? Maybe it's a bad capacitor or in the amp or preamp or a power supply. I wonder what it is, but here we go. So let's focus on this just for fun, and we'll switch it off. Ooh, happy it didn't go on red, the Genelec, but I definitely don't think this is a normal thing to do for any device, especially for a nucleus from SSL. So please help. Thank you.